Hi, it's about 6:30 and dinner time in Satun. We come to a little market area where there's lots of street food. Looks like it's very popular, judging by the number of motorbikes that are here and the number of people that are pulling up. Lots of food here. Whole street of different types of street food stalls. So Orna and Ananda have found something already. Some sort of fruit juice. Namsom orange juice. Oh, it's frozen. Alright, he's got his money ready. I don't think he was expecting it to be frozen. This guy's just got his takeaway, now he's off. It's a fried chicken shop. Stuff is very popular here in Satun. There's lots of shops selling it. The lady cooking it back there. Rotis, vadika. Oh, noodle soups. Chicken bits. Going to takeaway. Gecko there that's grabbed something to eat. As you can see, this place is pretty popular at this time of night. Hopefully we're not in for a storm. What else we got here? More fried chicken, chicken on sticks, sausages on sticks, chicken on the grill there, seafood salads and chicken salad. This shop's an Isan food shop. One's been here and grabbed a soup. Got all sorts of labs there. And chili and eggplant. Steamed vegetables. But I think what I'm going to grab is one of these guys. Catfish, they look pretty tasty. Oh, I got mushroom soup as well. He's bagging up there. Do like that. And the lady's making somtam back there. All the ingredients for the somtam here. And okay. Okay. Chanh hết rồi không? Put dai nít nói không? Everyone's very surprised here when I can speak Thai. I think they're only used to seeing tourists. That looks very good. Appam cup. 80 baht for that. Video cup. Just making teas and coffees back there. Very cheap. Start at 10 baht to 20 baht. What else have we got? Some yummy looking barbecued chicken there. And lard, chicken salads and stuff. What's a sushi? Everyone's found a spoon for him, so he's having a bit more luck with it now. It's good. Lady's cooking rotis here. We've got here 40 baht for something. Let's have a look at what they're cooking. Oh, Pad Thai. And mussel omelettes over here. Alright, so that orange chicken there is looking pretty good. I think it's got Ananda's name on it. Let me get him a come and go. There are some restaurants here, seating as well. Get him one of these to take away. I'll come and go. Yeah? Cup on cup? Cup. Cup on nâng cup. Chicken liver to bonus. This shop's got a whole heap of prepared fruits. You got little packs of bananas, guavas, rose apples, mangoes, baby mangoes, green mangoes, pineapple, pawpaw, rock melon, dragon fruit, watermelon. This is what I'm here for, jackfruit. So I'm going to grab one of those, 25 baht. Lady over there is cleaning the fruit, hapon carb. See what else we can find. Pretty carb. Okay. Steamed vegetables and dried fish, barbecued fish, curry shop. These are always very popular. Hello, welcome. Gang som, what I had for lunch today. It's got mussels, I had fish. Another one by the look. Beef. Beef? Yeah. Ah. Sweets, yummy jellies and coconut sweets, sticky rice, a few ants that are buzzing around that have come for the light, pumpkin custard, that looks really yummy. We got another sweet shop with steamed rice sweets, buddy cup, sorts of noodle dishes, eggs, roti somai, got shredded beef and dried beef. Just going to sticky rice over there. There you go. Fruit store, got a banana flower there. Pawpaws, watermelons, bananas, some mangoes, mango cup. Chopped fruit. Yep. Thai teas. Mango sticky rice here. Just bagging up the sticky rice. Blue sticky rice. We've been weighing it out. What we got there? Pre-cooked stuff. Sea snail curry, bamboo curries, barbecued fish, chicken liver. 50 baht for that. Sorts of Thai sweets here. Lady's making something else. What do you go? It's got corn and carrot. Jelly, all sorts of stuff in there. Beans. Dawn found something she wants. Barbecued sticky rice, 40 baht for those. Coming potato and also prawn. I got a couple of prawn ones and there's gung have 2 sticks, okay. Alright, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 6 of those. Happy calf. This shop's got lots of barbecued and fried fish, steamed vegetables and curries. Egg fish, hello. Fried fish, chili paste and nam prick. This guy's got yellow watermelon, 30 baht for half a yellow watermelon, 48 baht for the big regular watermelon, and durian, 270 to 288 baht for that big. So got dragon fruit and lots of other fruit here. Alright, so that's shopping done. Let's go home and try some of this stuff. Okay, so we're back at the hotel room and dinner is served. We've got a decent spread of food here. All up, I think we spent 285 baht, so it's a pretty cheap meal. Got a bit of everything. Orn bought some of these at 7-Eleven. This is a plate set. It comes with 2 bowls, 2 plates, 2 forks, 2 spoons and 2 cups. 39 baht for that. So if you're looking to eat cheap in Thailand, you're wondering how you're going to get bowls, this is how you can do it. They also sell just bowl sets as well that you can buy with like 10 bowls in there for about the same price. One of the ladies also gave us one of these stainless steel spoons because I asked for a spoon. These are really cheap in Thailand. You pay about 30 baht for a set of 10 or 12 of these. 7-Elevens also have them. So the food all looks really good. I'm going to try Orn's bamboo soup before she does so that she can get started on it, and that way it doesn't all disappear before I get to try it. It's pretty spicy, very tasty, a little bit sour and sweet. And then my mushroom soup. I do love this stuff. Had lots of mushrooms, it looks really good. Sweet and a little bit sour as well. It's kind of earthy. Mushrooms are nice and crunchy. They're almost like a champignon sort of texture. I also got some of these fried fish before we left. These looked really good. Couldn't walk past them. I've become a bit of a fan of these lately. They're called blatok kamin in Thai. I think they're cooked in turmeric. Very, very tasty. So really good. Fishy, a bit salty. Crispy skin. They're great. Also got some of the catfish, which I'm a huge fan of. I do love this, actually the whole family loves it. Good as always. If you're looking for a street food to try in Thailand, this is definitely one of my favourites. It was one of the first things I ever tried in Thailand in the way of street food. Keep going back to it, it is delicious. Catfish is buttery, it's got a nice charcoal flavour, a little bit salty. Then these, the little rice parcels, Kalniao Yang. I think the lady said the prawn ones had 2 sticks in the bottom. So I'm going to grab one of those and unwrap it. Okay, got a big chunk of sticky rice there. Oh, it's got like minced prawn in there. Definitely prawn in this one. It's a little bit sweet. The barbecued rice is a bit salty. Didn't even actually know this one existed until Orn told me at the shop there that she had potato and shrimp ones. Really delicious. Try a bit of Nanda's Khao Gai, which is I think a boiled chicken, this one. Southern style with boiled rice. Again, a little bit sweet, chickeny, really good. And as a bonus, he got some chicken liver, which he's not a fan of, but both Orn and I really like. sweet and moist, very, very tasty. So all the savouries, big thumbs up for those. Try a bit of the jackfruit. So jackfruit has quite a large seed in it. If you pierce the flesh and open it up, it kind of pulls apart in strips. Do love this stuff. Very sweet, kind of melony. Just watch the seed, it is a big seed, so you can't chew on that, but the rest of it's all very edible. There are ways that they do prepare the seed. I've never had it personally, but the fruit is really delicious. So if you don't feel like going out when you're on holidays in Thailand, this is a cheap way to eat. You find markets like that pretty much everywhere. More or less every town will have somewhere like that, selling food that's either available to eat there or take away. So that's a bit of a look at a street food night market in Thailand. As you can see, it is very popular here. You've got to watch yourself because there's motorbikes going always. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post new Thailand food and travel videos every Wednesday. Thanks heaps for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.